Just over a year ago, the price of Bitcoin registered an average low of $1 across many regulated and unregulated cryptocurrency exchanges. A year before that, the asset was trading at its average value of $1. The 84% decline in the revolutionary financial asset allowed Bloomberg to reiterate that Bitcoin, indeed, was a bubble. However, as of December 2019, the cryptocurrency is looking to close the year at a roughly doubled rate. At around $1, it is more than 100% higher than its price from the bottom formed in December 2018 at $1. Bitcoin remains a bubble, a bluffing bubble that pretends to pop but does not pop. By the time the mainstream media and every skeptic finish their 100-word obituary about the cryptocurrency, it rises back to prove them all wrong. It proves that beneath all the flaws, there is a story of progress. People want to purchase Bitcoin despite the shortcomings presented by every trustworthy economist or investor. That explains why the cryptocurrency's so-called bubble phase has outlived even the most notorious financial bubbles of all time. Tulip mania mainstream media outlet CNN in 2017 was quick to compare Bitcoin's enormous rise with that of Tulip mania, a financial bubble from the early 17th century wherein speculation drove the price of tulip bubbles to unheard levels. People were putting their homes on collateral to get into the Turkey-made bulb markets. As greed drove the tulip bubbles' prices up, the result was a string of massive sales when the rates touched local highs. Those who bought the bulbs at higher rates were the firsts to feel the burn of an overvalued lightning instrument. Bitcoin rose in a similar manner and crashed almost in a similar way. But unlike the tulip mania, the Bitcoin bubble didn't die but reformed into a new one. The former lived for only 3 years, 1634-1637. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has entered its 11th year already. Bitcoin is the biggest bubble and bust in history. Biggest is up 60x from 3 years before peak. Nasdaq was only 4x, so tiny bubble versus BX. Even bankrupt South Sea was 8x, more similar to Mississippi, 35x, that went bankrupt or tulip mania. BX bust biggest/fastest too. Case rested. Pic Twitter.com/OTDP Nouriel Rubini at Nouriel November 24, 2018. Dotcom here. The tulip fails at proving Bitcoin a bubble. The Dotcom boom redefines it. Investors went crazy over the internet and internet-related companies in the late 1990s. They injected multi-billion dollars into the web-based startups that pushed the Nasdaq Composite Index up by more than 200% in just a year. The fun didn't last. The so-called Dotcom. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.